This is my 2008 Toyota Tacoma double cab. I decided to make this video because I've been having problems ever since I bought my truck with the sensitivity of my alarm system. Sometimes thinking that the truck was unlocked, I would pull on the door handle and release it, my alarm would go off. Also, when the trash truck would go by, trucks with diesel engines, Harley Davidsons, it would set off my car alarm. While doing some research on the internet, I couldn't find anybody that can show me the location of the sensitivity adjustment on the shock sensor. So I decided to start disassembling my truck. Took apart the radio and those gauges, the whole center console, the glove box, and this panel right here, which is just located under the steering wheel. And there's a 10mm socket that fits this bolt on the lower left corner. Remove this bolt. Likewise, on the opposite end is another 10mm hex. Let me get my tool. Okay. Now the wires coming through this hole you will not have. That's just my XM radio. So the panel has clips up on the left corner, inside, right here on this corner, just below the steering wheel, and also on the opposite end. Now these clips are plastic clips, and you need to pull the console straight out like this. The little coin box you can just pull out like this, pull here like that, pull straight out. Also on the other side, straight out, and it will drop. It will be held in place by the wire harnesses that go to your mirror button and to other buttons that you may have installed here. Now, where did I put my flashlight? Right here in my back pocket. Okay. Now, right next to the steering column, way inside, you see that one bolt right there? Well, just right there is a tie wrap that goes around a small black box. Okay. There's a red and green LED on the little box. And below it, right about there, is a potentiometer adjustment. My camera's a little out of focus right now. It's on my cell phone. But it's marked Min Max. To adjust the sensitivity, you want to adjust it counterclockwise with a small jeweler's screwdriver. A small Phillips will also work. Doesn't have to be too small, about 1/4 inch or less. But I would adjust it. It's got little scribed lines. You can adjust it maybe 1 notch at a time. And you can test it by closing your vehicle, arming it. This used to set off my truck. Doesn't do it anymore. Then you take a key to the front windshield, and you don't want to tap hard, just tap it sharply. See, it's still adjusted sensitive enough to where my car alarm would trigger if somebody broke the windows. Let me unlock it. Alright. So right in here. Right there. Now I had to adjust this 2 times in order to get the sensitivity where I liked it. I bought my truck in '07, late '07, and it's now 2013, almost 2014, and this has been a nuisance. I finally decided to do something about it and did research, couldn't find a thing, so I thought I'm going to tear it apart So that's where the adjustment is. Now this alarm system is the VIP, Toyota VIP RS 3200 Plus alarm system. I'm not sure if it was installed by the factory or the dealership, but it was installed when I bought my truck at the dealership. It utilizes the Toyota remotes that come with your keys. So hopefully this clears up some confusion and this video helps you. Please rate my video.